Hello everyone, do you have more annoyance when you mixing dough, such as unstable quality, labor-intensive operation, breakage machine breakdowns? No worries. Today I would like to introduce a spiral mixer which can solve all of your problems when you mixing. That's our keeping leaf spiral mixer. The whole machine a Dutch food grain made of stainless steel and import the corn components, good quality and sustainable. Also easy to cleaning. Follow me. Our keeping leaf spiral mixer, double action, double speed. And here is our control panel, which is famous. And it's easy for workers to cooperation the machines. When you finish the dough, we just need to click on the up button so the bowl can lifting automatic. So do not need the water. Take out the dough by hand and set tight and insert the dough texture. If you want to take out the bottom of the dough out, just need to click on the hook Spanish. Okay, when you finish, take the dough out and we need to put the bowl down. So we just click on the dough button, then the bowl will down automatic. Our keeping leaf spiral mixer delivers superior quality, high efficiency, lower operating costs. It's the only choice for your bakery or bread factory. If you have other questions or advice, we are here to help. The whole machine a Dutch food grain made of stainless steel.